minus 60 megapascal. Shear xy is equal to shear yx. And now you guys know that it's positive shear, but does not mean anything in the terms of shear. And then you have stress Z is equal to 0. Shear xz is equal to shear zx is equal to 0. Okay. And then shear yz is equal to shear zy is also equal to 0. Okay. So now you can start constructing your Mohr circle now. Okay. So I'm going to draw my Mohr circle. Again, 3D Mohr circle is still a circle, okay? It's not a 3D Mohr circle, it's a sphere, okay? Minus 80, 60, 40, 20, 0. My advice to you when I'm drawing this is better hurry up, go and try to get hold of a camera for your computer if you can, okay? So what is going to happen is McMaster going to have a course outline to state that when you attend this course, you have to have a digital camera. Okay, it's a requirement. Okay. So it's like if you want to go to, so they are, I don't agree to what they are doing, by the way, but their perception is like you're going to attend school at McMaster, you need to buy a car to go to school. So a camera is like a car. Okay, so there is their perception on this. Okay, 20. 40.
What if they're still sold out by the time September starts? People are selling them online for like $500 for a $100 camera.
You can order from Best Buy and you have to wait for like 6 weeks. So Best Buy is taking a lot of back orders now. Go and get it. Okay, I got mine through Best Buy. I just want all of you to be safe. Okay, as I say, I don't agree to the system, but that's what they want to do. Okay, I would rather bring you guys back at McMaster just to write the exam. Okay, I would rather do that. But I'm not the boss. Okay, I'm just a midget at McMaster. Right. Let's come back to here.
So are they going to proctor from next semester?
Yes. It's the professor's choice, but a lot of them wants to have proctoring. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is your 120. Okay. So this is your stress X. And then this is your 60. And when you decide not to be proctor or want to go against it, don't do it violently, okay? Do it nicely, okay? I'm not saying that you go on riot, okay? So I better focus on this, okay? So stress Y, stress Z line, stress X line, okay? Then we have 30. So you still have to, so it's still the same like a 2D Mohr circle, right? Still the same. 30. Okay. So that's your 30. So let's look at your point X. Okay. So your point X is at tensile 120. And then the element will rotate in the anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise over here. So this is your point X. Point Y is at your negative 60 and 30. And then the element, due to the arrow I'm circling, is going to go clockwise. So this is your point Y. And then we know our point Z. Our point Z got 0 stress, or is at the center. There's our point Z. Okay. So still the same. We're going to draw a line. Okay. from here to here. All right. So the first thing we're going to calculate, all right, we're going to calculate the center of the circle. So xy, when it's xy, it's xy plane, okay? So we're going to calculate center of circle. XY plane. So this is equal to stress x plus by stress y divided by 2. So stress x is 120 plus by minus 60 divided by 2. So this will be equal to 30 megapascal. Okay, so which what we have drawn down here. Okay, so we know where is our stress average now, right? So this is our stress average line. Okay, so over here, right? This is our point 0. Okay, so we calculate our stress average. Still the same, right? Still the same. Stress average. Okay. The advantage of the exam being proctored, it can be easier. I repeat again, the advantage of the exam being proctored, it can be easier. Okay. Easier because they know that you don't lock. They lock your computer. You cannot search on your computer, so the professor will make things easier. So that's the other advantage, or the only advantage. Okay. So center of circle, we found the next thing. We're going to find the radius of the circle. All right, radius of the circle for the XY plane. All right, still the same thing like 3D, yes or no? I mean like 2D, right? So shear XY, okay, or tau max. So we're going to find if the radius is tau max, right? XY. So this will be equal. So we're going to find the radius. So again, I don't want you to remember any formula. So just observe. Okay, so we know from the distance from here to here, this is equal to 30, right? And then the distance from here to here is 20, 40, 60, 80, and it's going to be equal to 90, right? So this will be equal to 90 squared plus by 30 squared. So this will be equal to 90 squared plus by 30 squared. So it's equal to 94.868. Okay, so 94.868 megapascal. Okay. So when that's the case, you can now find your stress A and stress B. Okay, so stress A and stress B are the principal stresses. So I've not taught you anything new yet. Okay, everything is still very standard procedure. Yes or no? So this is equal to 30 plus or minus 94.868. Okay, so this will be equal to 30 plus by 94.868 is equal to 124.868. Okay, megapascal. And the other one is 30 minus by 94.868. So minus 64.868. Okay, minus. Okay, so you know where your point A is, you know where your point B is. Okay, or if you have a compass, you can directly draw it. Okay, so this will be your stress A. And then 1 to 4, they're somewhere around here. That will be your stress B. Okay. Then now you can construct your Mohr circle. Okay, so I'm going to draw my Mohr circle. Then I'm going to, okay, so it's going to be 94. So 94, I'm just eyeballing this, okay? 94. I think I got this slightly too big. Okay, so this circle they have drawn touches point X and touches point Y, right? So this is your XY plane. Okay, that is your XY plane. Now this one is different from the example or from the theory I showed before, because the theory I showed before, XY don't have shear stress, this one have shear stress, okay? And stress A and stress B are your principal stress. Now, I'm going to construct another circle. Now this circle was touches Z, okay? So this circle will be at 60, hold on, 64. Yeah, that's about right. I don't know why I put 64. So I'm going to draw another set of circle. So 2, 4, 6, so 30, up a bit. Okay, so this is the other circle now. Okay, it's not really a circle yet. Give me, be patient with me. Okay, I know some of you can't stand it. I also can't stand it, okay? Oh, it's pretty bad. I think I overlook at it, okay? There you go. Now, can anyone tell me what plane this belongs to? Oh, I'll tell you what plane this. So this one belongs to what?
Out of plane?
Z plane. I know it's out of plane, but it's going to be a YZ plane. This one is your in plane. Good one, okay? And this one is your out of plane. Why is your out of plane? Because point Y will form an acute angle to this point, and then this is your point Z. Okay, so you look at the what? Based on the what? Acute angle. Okay, so it's based. Okay, so select the selection. So this is Y, right? So you have the selection. So you select based on point with the principal stress. Okay, with the principal stress that generates an acute angle. Okay, acute angle means the angle is less than what? 90 degrees. You cannot choose Z. It cannot be known as ZX point because from here, right? From here to travel to this side is more than what? It's more than 90 degrees. So you choose the point that to the principal stress cube angle. That is why you call YZ plane. And then the other circle. Okay, the other circle that I'm going to draw now. Okay, so is 60. Right, so it's gonna be 60 a bit below. All right, so this one will be known as your XZ plane, and it's gonna be your what? Off plane. Okay. So now
are they both supposed to touch the principal point?
Yes. Yes. They have to touch the
Stresses?
principal. Yes. They have to. Okay. So that is how you construct your 3D circle. Okay. This is how you construct your what? Your 3D Mohr circle. Okay. I'm going to do one example or another example. Okay. So this is in fact not example number 1. This is in fact our example number 3. Okay. So I'm going to do another example. Example number 4.
Would we have to rotate the elements using